Hello, Orange. There's a surprise exception for everyone.
Airbagception? What the heck is an airbag? Oh, guys, I don't feel too.
Someone needs to put an end to.
I have an idea. Everyone, just hold it in.
Are you sure about that?
Hold it in?
Yeah, it's easy to do if you're tough. Just watch your way.
You okay, Grapefruit?
Grapefruit, this might not be a very good idea.
Yeah, especially since there's an airbag inside of you that at any moment could.
It's time for Ask.
All right, listen. Don't go by Thomas no more. It's Switchblade now, right? So maybe somebody go and run and grab Switchblade another adult beverage. You know, maybe a adult soda pop. Now! Yes, sir!
Yeah, okay, yep, right away, Mr. Blade. Hey, Orange, why did the Scarecrow win an award?
I don't know. Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Gotta love Scarecrow jokes. They're so corny.
Hey, Orange, where does a car go for a swim? At the carpool.
I'm off the driving board.
I love puns. Can you do one of Thomas the Tank?
I don't know.
What is your favorite Ask Orange episode? My personal favorite is The Sky is Falling.
I agree. That episode's airy good. But my all-time favorite Ask Orange episode has gotta be...
No! The Sky is Falling. Huh? So many.
Aw, that's really sweet of you.
Oh no! It's an egg!
Oh no!
Orange, I'm trying to read. What on earth are you yelling about?
Pear, doors for you.
All right, it's probably the chess set that I ordered from. Hey, Orange, can the whole gang say, hi, Ashley, Evelyn, and Christina? Also, I love your videos and Marshmallow. Yay! Hi!
We love you too, Ashley, Evelyn, and Christina! Yay!
What is in your brain?
Let's see. Oh.
Why is Pear sitting on an airbag again? Because of course I am. Slap Pear with a fish. Hey, Mom. Yeah, things at work are great.
Yeah.
Do I ever regret becoming a YouTuber instead of going to med school? Honestly, it's not something I think about often. I wouldn't say it weighs on me. What would happen if Orange acted the opposite of what he usually does?
Welcome, young squires, to another delectable...